Where are we going? Wes, do you know where we're going? We're here. We're all up in Bear Lake. We're at Campfire Grill. So cute in here. Especially that little guy.
Thank you.
He gets it from his uncle. How fun of a Christmas
Who?
This guy.
Pop the bubbles. Okay, Bob, have fun. Hold on tight. We're headed to the beach right now. It's only 64 degrees. Who's ready for the beach? Who got a ride on a motorcycle today? Did you? Did you ride with Dad?
Whoa.
You don't like the beach.
Yes, I do.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get in the water first.
But wait, please.
You can get in the water the whole time by yourself.
It's gonna be
It's
cool.
too cold. Wow, good job! Do you like the beach?
She talking to you?
Yeah.
Look what I found!
Another one?
Daddy! Look at she.
Wow.
What are you doing, bud? You building a sandcastle? They're all just floating around out there. You're crying because you want to go float out there? It's too cold. It's too cold.
We're about to ride the go-karts, and I'm gonna beat you guys. I'm definitely gonna beat you guys. I'm definitely beating those guys. And I'm beating that boy too. Yeah, I see you hiding. Are you gonna race?
Tell him. So
Knuckles.
you're going to win.
What? Do this. It looks like you got a fast one. That Buzz Lightyear hoodie's gonna make you go faster, I think. Indy, do you like our orange car?
Yeah.
We're gonna go real fast. There's Sammy. We gotta pass her, huh? We started. Here we go, Dee Dee. Woohoo! Yoo-hoo! David, you guys were so fast. You were in the fastest green one, huh? And now you're gonna go on a little ride. She's gonna start hitting some jumps though. I gotta watch her close because she likes to hit the triples. Don't you?
Yeah.
You need a helmet?
Yeah. You have one?
Nah. Nope. Let's ride.
It's our last day here. The kids are playing on the playground. We're just hanging out outside. It's a little chilly.
Run, buddy, run!
Run! Oh, she got you.
Ah, buddy. Ah, buddy.